to an extent they are so crack in kuko the free Brazil side ba e ma ene momo de any compete to another extent and no cry cheaper time momo de na mo produce wa han and I'm call anti another area for food and export there na me no kase kofi da be na ati say your local poultry you see exporting kuko free Ghana da be Munyanum journalist for be quiet documentary. Na ebi ma kwatena car so free Burkina e de tomato so. E de free Burkina de bedru Ghana. At that time, NPP say, "Oh, you are planting for food na tomatoes there. Aduane ebu. Yeah, one argument bebre. And I'm saying I'm planting for food. We were centered on 3 main cereals. After them the body and the banchi abeka. I'm launching you know. Na 3 main cereals. Emuya ekanwi besine yentimi nka on presidency o on the made in Ghana rice on fie eti emu etimi ebua me export ni aka che mo say empenifo bi okroman mo mutimi ebie factory rice factory within 6 months man year adwuma na MPP amanyoko since 2017 to 2022 muni any rice factory to boast muni baako say de ba ye peso ye factory etimi ye produce emu enie ye rochema Aboagye ne on kan tre omuni bi etiare ne yeti kroma na da ne edibu man wa obehu akokan so eso ye mamboye ni ti for some time ye dey ka say ye nkan ho asem o ene say na wo say we kwa dey address Mr. President to me I feel say look they have failed and the program has failed omanjintum at the end of the day ye de kakra yetimi ye boy homodin wo ho ye nuanum ne maame mu akuafo a omo ankasa timi kodu omo no ba ye ma ne bo the season aye wom as Ghana whether dry season rain season the benefit ayenya kakra na so stay ni oman no not any policy MPP amayoko so omo ye and I can say with authority planting for food and jobs is a failed policy.
I see
it's a failed policy. Agric minister, he has been touting himself as the best in West Africa, the best in Africa, one of the best in the world. And so Ghana, yeah, bre. Irrigation facilities. Okay, I become one village, one dam. Eko si say. Kofi so okay, yet now your design. Eka we fidie su kwa e fa ye 2 dam. Ye chreche ma moro kabori mo be bantaye to an extent ye chreche said ye mo koye no. E hand dug well. In fact, e bula. Might me and creative dam bia mo ma bo man nika and me I'm praying said that to be a buy for be bo be kwa hwehwe sa sika twitwi dia ya de call president special initiative mo under one village one dam some heads must roll
and take them on
of course because untimi me can say president special initiative now we are went me anya ko tie dam maye o ba ya bula na de buy Kofi your problem I mean I feel that we address to the president he knows better. Of course, because he's the #1 gentleman of the land. Policy ni na the document ni komano. Eti ye ntimi anya ni to onim. Ana ye da so kre bro ni to ohun.
Yeah, associated to the high and uncontrollable cost of living ewo memo. Mamema 3 minutes nka hono ya fa address wi a me pese di ka tie no fio na ye de nyamre on the boss because mumie no you will have more time on that. Now, Chama Aboagye ntimi MYN the national on the background as an economist. DA na Ghana, what are we not doing right? Because IMF and Richie almost Sunday another statement about say nuane born in Yama Bobe Kosro. And Sisiano, in fact, Enra Madame Fubi our tone phone. Also within a day, Omoto or Omo the directive Omoto phone 2 times. Within a day, we doom. Or not phone na boy 1,100.
Yeah.
Omutumu. No, it was that new flip phone.
Yeah.
Was in 3,500.
Yeah.
And Omutumu call 4,200. And opa. And we are no more na that you omo from say Oma to 20 mm. To 1,000 cities and count 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
It came 6,000.
Yeah,
within a day. Is it deliberate as a Ghana for being a person sabotage system? Nana, because I don't get it.
And no, na who say
because near my bro, I Danyansa, Ubi Akre go order that. Unyang kra near my mind. The other than the order that so much to.
No, Okon that line because Nipa no Oya, whatever it is, or say Kofe Biaba.
na akofa bi aba na de
oh no na nsan but on turn at that price no kwa was kokupeska bosia foforo de aka ne capital de onya ye ne ho no de ha foforo ana
sisi a dollar no kwa akotọ aye
now my analysis with iron roll as a January 1st check it now iron roll say 3,400
January 1st of this year 2022
yes from December to January 3,400 from January 1st to 12th of January and a jump of 5,600 you drew February getting to mid-February and about 6,300 and a general kakra as at last week 8,003 maybe now you think it's 8,003 per ton me catch iron rods
you don't mean
yes 8,300
but then I'm a quack to do maybe 6,000
may say they have been charitable with you may say 8,300 as at last week here 1 ton hey na me analysis bi actually be say
nipa bi na sabotage na adwan kwakofo ado aban
enti ye de ne say isa say ye mpanifo betena se no ma hwɛ ne ye available to yen as Ghana for
yeah
no ma gather the experts in those field
yeah
no mo de omnim de amayen the way forward no yen ne sa o ye tia ne say oh covid abama no ni obi ebre Ghana yeso ye career se ho ye ebre o ye ebre ye wie ye na o Ukraine ni Russia ko obi ebre oh Ghana yeso ye ebre o ye ebre in what sense you are the leader of this country you have no experts in your country ombetimi aka che o say baby aye ko yen shift focus no to her na yen timi nya de be bo oman no that last week my meka bamboo ho asmancho me ye ya ma quotation say bamboo e £1,000 tensile strength higher than iron rods. To an extent, bamboo ne bueka bisazu ba record dance ko e. Pamprasem na making. Kobi e ko e. Pamprasem ni eken. To an extent nti enya enim difo akwa me nkrome so apon ya research agu aka me ne hu say yet me replace iron rods with bamboo.
Akoma FM.
Research ba enye ne. Enye deliberate say obi o ye man ni mpanimfo no nyoma dwen say ombedwiri apɛ solutions dia mai.
You think so?
And we think our expert ba ku bi say it the AC or Russia no e ka ba ire ni bantia na. O ti dem eka no. O ka mu asem. Fair enough. And you import fair enough ba ire ni bantia so e. Oh, it no obi nya na dey so obedwiri dia ma oman no. And you dey sika ma omu nyina no ma relax. And you see these are the same people who to kwa amonone a omo hwe de ekoso wo benefit ankofo nya omba no ma be so you get the people like the likes of Abronyemo comparing your fuel to baby to Germany. Now when you communicators no dey tie yo now it is reality is dawn on us yenye ya dey say abedwene hu the alternative it will be ebre and president who say a global situation it yenkoso they are failures, trust me, they are failures.
You think so?
You beka cement asem. Price e kosoro. E dey na ma price cement bo kosoro pa. E clinker.
Yeah.
Clinker na produce o Ghana just import it.
Yeah.
So your alternative here there e bricks. E dey tin e bricks. You atakwa me ni ateche wa ha bebre a. Ye mfa nye hwe. Concern ye ko ye de bi ya yiwa, ye de bi ye kula. E me ye timi de ye bricks na e di sidan no. So your president na wo man mu. Now one district one factory. Wait me anya brick processing factory baako. In all these factories, I wouldn't have out to say why. Are you thinking for us? It's in at the end of the day, the alternative now MPC be use no. We are still crumbling for the idea that one is scarce no. And everybody wanted it, then so be also die. And a problem number. So the president has no solution. Minister for Extra Housing D.
Yeah, produce more bricks crack Ghana for Umbejai cement ya tode ya anwane ade
pragmatic measure a policy. Edianaba. Ade bia person o man for sesa free hu bia no. A policy deliberate approach.
Okay.
Anytime that na make actually say the reason why Aboagye is being muntimi nyamfa so one say e bra ye ka say ye amo musika poultry for mun produce no. Ye ntimi amfa measure bia am say okay, ye mba ne the importation of chicken within a certain period.
Okay.
It is all a man penny. I'll say, oh, mama me want 3 months. Yes, international trade. Yeah. But me the me say the local producers need to me and my and kukoni be and then for the next 3 months, you're holding on to importation of chicken. And I increase it taxes on it. Say the deter control from importing. Near my produce locally no. And yet do if they will be able to feed the nation. 3 months ne failure. No real balance and say okay, percentage saying the failure. It's a near important 100%. Okay, when one player was on betting me produce 30%, and 100 you trust you import 70. You balance it out to an extent so be equilibrium.
Na your barber vampe Dakon farms. What come mama me video president by Kumasi be revamp Dakon.
And I'm catch you say on all those things now. Oko supermarkets now, the imported chicken is cheaper than the local one.
Okay.
It is why. The same applies to Emo. The same applies to Emo. Local producers no my be am person me body because me person me advert. But to check a price per kilo now, 5 kilo now.
Yeah.
And it there you import it from Thailand, Taiwan, China ni na yepe. It's unyere.
Okay.
So when you're encouraging the local producers, you take pragmatic measures. Say the imported ones no. Ube increase it. Ave kwate ya say oh afa there goods e ba no crowd there. Ye bie mu man say no bie to me be. Can you imagine? Press papers. The same thing. So it's as if say when muna ankasa deliberately jama em say o fa chira one man this come out for importing don't even your local one because yeah and then you importing be compete obeboka
Okay.
And I feel that the leaders are not thinking for us.
Mamenko Zuba. So Zuba Bremuna Iria, I think you will take the reaction from Ochama Aboagye. Peja microphone.
Ansana mekasano.
Yeah.
Mami chairman you and me wa dance.
Good.
Yeah, my wa dance from Tuesday abekanda najo.
I see. So now kaso ko share MPP phobia my disgranted war for me na.
I know that penny be here for me na.
You don't mean it.
I know that. Me see a kwan ho na me bisa.
Akoma
Who
FM.
Zuba see for me na.
Me a kwan ho no.
Na say this for na be Aboagye so.
No. Me call for me na kra ma nipa me ensa kra me gina me ho at the time da. Ba kwan ho.
Hani ye shi jamedi we.
Na you own the America.
Eh. Ah, almost be your day.
And unim. They call I feel eventually not the corner where say I feel the wagaza na bra bejira.
Wow. Hey, for me na for person who be gina.
I feel almost say omu be will be wagaza. Ebra ebejina for me na. Na ye call ye no. Na ye bo obi a ofi constituency ni mudia. Na any die no. Na bro so.
I see.
Me kai say ye bo me nua asema Aboagye. No fi kwapia o de share ni nua ne di akonwa kwapia. Na feja asamo Aboagye nsa se kwapia hene ni. Kwapia no esi amakrum e wo wios no hye kwapia yem. Enti ye boy ye mu se oh ye wo
Position who you
adanse ni fi kwapia edi mumu na ne je na ye sonko. Kofi was an exciting one. We are member of videos.
I see.
I was excited.
I'll be very happy to see.
Yeah, I was excited at what is going on in Fomena. And Union Omagye over 350 of them. Omagye Sesani na
MPP over 300.
Over 350.
On person mobile NDC.
And yes, omo person omaba.
From MPP to NDC. Ewo Fomena.
Yeah.
Hey Zuba no.
Over 350.
We don't when
Oh, me video no.
Say the omu na say penti omu ya no msa ko penti back.
Nipa fufuo ne ko penti enye omo ko penti na NDC na.
Sir. I see.
But what they mention us. And many aje. Unse Fomena wona me fi. What I say? Enti obi bebu amu asu a. Enti say wa auto awusu. Enti me do mo ase eno da empanyefo a edi mechi me regional executives a omo di mechi a call for me na nyina I was honored.
I see.
Omo shame ni monyam. Empreche Gromesa force me chamo pa ye also MPP for one day 5 converts. Sikamai 4 converts.
Zuba
yeah damase papa se mo hu han the way the rate at which adanse MPP for ni hunu han no association so Aboagye Krom the converts the level at which people are converting from MPP to NDC. I am excited, and say
the
next month.
The another
the next month. Also, me do 1 month to dance.
Okay, we'll spend
time.
Yeah,
Kofi.
Yeah.
My dika catch say only me didn't come about MPP Abanya. I know what the camp Morgan hated, you know. Do you see anything to smile about? Because me worry. Say a body in the Ukraine and money Boakosho. Say Ukraine for the my body.
Akoma FM.
Manchester Ukraine for the my. And Ukraine. Be Ukraine to say the Ukraine to Canada. You soon try there. You need to